Ukonrat ke sangma, menda kasngi ulahyar syaka White Water Village, ha kasnang Umtham Hariboy District, naka benta ban Plie patba ya ke program Meghalaya Rafting, kabadai ka way na kijat Jingialehkai kingling. Ka jingtmu bakongsan jongkani ka program kalong, ban Kyntiew ya kani ka jat Jingialehkai hapok ka jela. Kumpan syupentip kendiat, ka Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society, lembat ka Meghalaya Kyntiew Association, menta daki pun snem kila don penta ban Kyntiew ya kani ka jat Jingialehkai hapok katay ka snang Umtham ringkat ka jingya don benta lang ka sorkar jela ha katay ka jaka lapenlong ro ya shibun ki jingya kom ki badai ha ka kedan national bat ro international bat mensyam snem lapenlong ro ya ka Megha kayak fest ka balawan sim benta daki nong Jingialehkai na keleng ka perthei ha kani ka jaka la ai jinghikai ro ya ki samla kenthei bat shinrang bat ru ya ki hebred ban pentebet naka benta katay ka jat Jingialehkai bat ki don ru ki balalet simbenta ha ki jingya khun ki badai ha kerdan national bat ru international naka liang ka Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society ka don ru ya ka jingthmu ban penlong bat penbahaya katay ka jaka kum ka way na ki jingya khun kingling ka bapau nam tam ha ka perthei haba ai jingkran ha kani gasngi ukonrat ke sangma ula ai ka jingyaro ya kinong yalam jong ka Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society lempat ka Meghalaya Kyntiew Association kibadan penta ban Kyntiew ya kani ka jat Jingialehkai rafting bat canoeing ha ka jela bat Kular ro banaka liang ka sorkar jela kan ai ya ka jingkersyan ka papura bat Kyntiew ya katay ka jat Jingialehkai ula ong ro ba na ka sorkar jela ka ngits camp ba lemba kani ka jat Jingialehkai kan Kyntiew ya ki samla ka jela bat ru kan kring ya ki jing itho jong ka perthei bat nakal yang ka sorkar kan yale kat bala ban penbet penbiang ya kani ka jaka bat banthau ya ka tourism circuit ha katay ka jaka ha ka bayadai bat ka jingbam biang ka network mobile ha katay ka jaka nakal yang ukonrat ki sangma ula Kular ro ban simkhia halor kani ka benta ha ka kerdan Myntri Rangbah ka jong bat kermen scam ba kani ka jaka kan long ka way na ki jaka ba paunam ha ka perthei ha kisngi bat kisnem ki banwan ha kani ka sngi lawan ban ya don ringkat ro da ka MDC jong ka umsning ka kong Magdalene Saukami Maulong ka director jong ka Tenat Sports and Youth Affairs ka kong Isa Wanda Lalu IAS u Deputy Commissioner u Arpit Upadhyaya u Superintendent of Police ka Riboy u Giri Prasad nalor kiway de ki officer bat nongyalam na ka Riboy Water Sports and Tourism Cooperative Society lembat ka Meghalaya Kyntiew Association.
The flight not long. The flight not long.
Inshallah. Thanks. Okay, guys, let's go quickly. Ready?
Indian Kayaking and Canoeing Association to our office to sign a long-term, MOU with them, so that we can think of ways and means to help boost the sport, to help boost and improve the society in whatever work we're doing, and most importantly to make it one of the landmark sites in the Riboy district, in the state and perhaps in the nation as a whole, when it comes to kayaking and canoeing. We learned that this is one of the most naturally blessed sites, not only in India but in the whole world. So we are very glad to know that with your initiative, so many things have moved forward, and a lot of sports persons, kayakers and canoers of international repute have come here. So from our side, we commit to help you, especially in terms of the immediate requirements, which is some kind of residential facility, so that the youth of this area can be trained. And we understand that the benefits will be not only in terms of improving on the potential of our youth to excel in the sport and to get medals in the long term, but also overall for the conservation of the environment in this place, for boosting the tourism potential of this place, and for creating a multitude of livelihood opportunities. So we believe that this step which we are taking, it has the chance chance and the potential to change the face of this entire area. So with our Honorable Chief Minister's guidance, our Sports Minister's guidance, we believe that we will go far in this, and we request DC as well to support all these initiatives, be it in, whether it's identifying in more land, perhaps to make this dream a reality, to support the association of residential boards, and also for the basic things like network, things which they are facing. And for your upcoming mega kayaking festival also from the Sports and Youth Department, we commit to assist you, and she will give our
Sports in Meghalaya. So the first person in Meghalaya to introduce whitewater sports was Mr. Zoba Lalo. I don't know, where is Zoba? Yeah. There he is. Zoba is the pioneer of the whitewater sports in Meghalaya, and we came through our contacts with him, we came here in 2015 to this site, and we started training the local youth in kayaking. We've done that as a family venture, not with any support or anything, just as our family. We provided kayaks and equipment and gear and training for free to any local boys and girls who wanted to do it. And we formed this water sports cooperative society in February 2022. And this April, the Canoe Association was formed. So everything is just in infant stages right now. So for the first 7 years, this project was our family project, but then the society was formed, and now it's a community project. It's handed over to the community. And so these last 7 years, we've been raising support for these local youth, and we've sent them away to festivals, kayak festivals in Karnataka, in Kerala, Uttarakhand, and for some of them it's their first time out of Meghalaya. We've taken around. Also, we've sent rafting teams to Arunachal, Uttarakhand. Also, rafting as well teams to represent this state. Here, 5 editions have been held in October. It started in October 2016 was the first one, and it's been every year except during the pandemic years. It was closed. But this Mega Kayak Fest started as a small, privately run festival with just through friends, just through contacts on social media, and now it's become the major kayaking event in India and probably in Asia. And it happens right here. Many people are not aware that right under their nose is one of the biggest kayaking events in Asia is right here. We've had around 200 international participants come here from 25 nations to this site, which again you're aware of this, the appeal that this place has around the world. And these are not just average kayakers. We've had the world champions, the cream of extreme kayaking have come here to Meghalaya. And of course they've not come just to kayak here, so that the other rivers in Meghalaya are what draws them to the Kyntiew and the and rivers like that. That's what draws them to Meghalaya, these extreme waterfalls and excitement. It's a very challenging whitewater in Meghalaya. They promoted Meghalaya on YouTube and Instagram and these things. And now in the kayaking community all over the world, they know about Umtham. Everywhere they know about Meghalaya through the social media spread. So this has worked in our favor very much.
Sports enthusiasts who are present out here today. I know it's not a very good time to give a very long, lengthy speech. It's a beautiful day in a beautiful weather and beautiful activity that is going around here. So I will resist from giving a very long speech, but I just want to tell you that I did not know about the existence of this kind of activity till about last year, about 2 years back. And last 2 years back, after our sports commissioner secretary had made a couple of visits, after the team that was under him had made few visits, we were made to aware of the different kind of activities that was happening out here. And at this point in time, I must recognize the efforts that have been made by Ian Vincent and by Sheila and all the other team members who have faced all different kind of challenges and yet continue to do what they are doing, and to finally see that the efforts put in are giving this kind of an output must be giving them a sense of some satisfaction today. And hence I congratulate them. I thank them for all the work that they're doing, and I also want to assure them that as a government we believe that people who have passion in them to do something that they are very much passionate about and believe in, and they put their heart and soul into it, well, government wants to support people like them, people who are willing to go that extra mile. And the least the government can do is support these kind of activities and these kind of people who are doing more than what is expected in one way. And therefore, I assure you, Mr. Yen and Sheila and all the other team members, especially our young sports persons and enthusiasts who are today really getting this opportunity to really enjoy, be part of the sport, and which is not just a sport, but as was mentioned, it has got a huge potential for the state to really get a medal at the national as well as international level. You must be aware that government of Meghalaya has been scientifically working on ensuring that we produce good sports persons in the years to come. In the previous years, we used to depend on what the children are doing, and if somebody starts running fast, then we used to pick them up. If somebody starts getting a medal, we used to send them to the national games and the different games in different parts of the country. Today, we are going to the villages and we are screening the children to find out even before they know the kind of skills that they have. So a scientific approach is today being done in the sports department, and we have selected out of 15,000 children who have been screened, we have selected 200 super athletes, and we have selected about 12 of them who are outstanding is what I'm told. And they even have a potential to be able to win medals at international events. And hence I expect that in the coming years, with investments like these, with the kind of training that we're giving, with the kind of approach that this government is having, I'm confident that the sports sector is going to be and give us a huge opportunity for the students and the youth of our state. And let me assure you, the problems that you are facing out here, we will try our best to resolve them at the earliest. I understand that you have a problem of connectivity. We will work towards it. I have spoken to Deputy Commissioner. He has asked me that I might have to take it up at my level. So I assure you that I will take it up at my level and hope that we'll be able to get the connectivity soon. In terms of all the support for creating the infrastructures, we will give the infrastructures to you, but in the meantime, wherever the infrastructure are there, we will give you the necessary support to ensure that you can make it better than what it was. And in the time to come, as I said, because it cannot be constructed in a day, it may take months to really get the setup going, but I can assure you that we will invest from our side in this. I can clearly see the kind of potential that we have out here, the kind of opportunity, not just for the youngsters who are really enjoying this, and I'm sure will shine at the national and international level, but it is also going to be a great opportunity for tourism, as was mentioned. So I really look forward that we'll be able to develop this as a very good tourism circuit, and we'll be able to really give a great experience to the tourists coming from all over the world out here. Of course, we have huge challenges when it comes to environmental and forest degradation. We need the support of the community in this, and so I hope that the Rangbah is here and others are here, along with the other headmen of the local localities and the villages around, along with our NDCs and other leaders. I hope that we'll be able to take concrete steps and decisions to ensure that we are able to preserve the pristine water as well as the river, the forest that we have, And it can only be done, as I said, if the community is together. So I hope the association also will play an active role in creating awareness about the necessity for maintaining the forest covers and ensuring that we preserve them. So I won't take much time. Once again, I thank all of you for being here. I congratulate